knows? All of you on the camera now, children. All of you on the camera. I can see Nihar, Sai Ritvik, Sai Charan, Pustalia, and Sriyanvi. So, linear equation. Sriyanvi, tell me, what is linear equation?
Is it equation with inner coordinates which makes a straight line?
Yeah, coordinates makes a straight line. Okay. And what is the maximum exponent of this linear equations? Linear means maximum power what? Maximum power is 1, right? Maximum power of any variable. Pulastia. What is your name? Pulastia only, right?
Yeah, my name is Pulaj.
Okay. So maximum power of linear equation is 1. Two variables means in a single equation you will have two variables. Either you may have xy, you can have yz, you can have ab, like that. Okay. So linear equation, two variables, and remember that to solve two variables, we have to solve two equations. Okay. To solve two variables, we need how many equations? Two equations. By the help of one equation, you can't find the value of x and y, right? Suppose I'm saying x plus y is equal to 5. You can't say exactly value of x and y. It can be 3 2, it can be 1 4, like that, right? But simply to solve exactly this x and y, we need how many equations? Exactly two equations. Suppose x plus y is equals to 5, I'm writing, and second equation is x minus y is equals to 1. Then 100% you can say that x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2, correct? So how to solve this type of equations, we have to learn in this chapter. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
to solve two variables, we need two equations also. To solve two variables, we need two equations. Now, the equation of a straight line is a linear equation. Yeah, that's Sriyani what she told. Equation of a straight line is nothing but linear equation, and maximum exponent of it is 1. It could be in one variable or two variables. One variable also can be possible, like 2x is equals to 5, or you can say two variable means 2x plus y is equal to 9, like that. So linear equation may be two variable also and one variable also, but here in this chapter we are learning about two variables. Now linear equation one variable, just go down bit. Linear equation in one variable. The equation with one variable, in it is known as linear equation in one variable. If any equation is having only one variable, like I told you before, only 2x is equals to 5. So this is a linear equation in one variable. The general form is, see, pq plus px plus q is equal to s. Px plus q is equal to s, where p and p, q, s are real numbers. Like same thing, you consider this one, where p should not be equal to 0. If p is equal to 0, what happens? This whole part becomes 0. So you can't get any equation, right? If p becomes 0, then px becomes what? 0 only. So what do you get? You get real numbers. So that is not a linear equation in one variable, right, children? If you write here, if write 0x plus 2 is equal to 5, is it possible? This has become 0, so this is nonsense thing, right? So here this is not a variable. Variable means one variable should be there. P should not be equal to 0. Next example is given over here. X plus 5 is equals to 10. Y minus 3 is equals to 9. So these are the examples of linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. So in each line you can see only one variable is there. So to find the value of x, you can find easily x is equal to 5, you can write. Here y is equal to 21, you can write. So 22 you can write.
Sir, it is depending on the type or how many variables, sir. Means there are two y's. Means then also it is one variable, sir.
Tell me an example, what you're saying, Sai Charan.
Or like y plus 3y is equals to
This is also
6.
6. This is also one variable only now.
Oh,
This
yes.
is also one variable only because only y is coming. So 4y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 by 4. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is also one variable only. Now see, graph of linear equation in one variable, how it comes. See, suppose I'm telling you x is equals to 3. I told you children in coordinate geometry, right? X is equal to 3. So how the graph will be, you know that, correct? And here you see, graph of linear equation in one variable, we can mark the point of linear equation in one variable on the number line. Suppose x is equal to 2, you just writing. Actually, you can mark the point also. Point 2 is here, right? Can be marked on the number line. Can be marked on a number line. But if they ask to draw the graph of x is equal to 3, graph of this. So what you should do? X is equal to 3, where it come 1, 2, 3. So graph you should draw like this. This is a graph for what? X is equal to 3. And this is nothing but what? Parallel to
y-axis.
yeah, parallel to y-axis. So this is the graph. So can be marked, they are given here, x is equal to 2 can be marked on a number line as follows. Linear equation in one variable. Why we are not writing this line, you know? If you write this line exactly, so what happens? We have to getting two equations. You can write that also, not a problem in that. You can point here and you can make one line. But if somebody asks you x is equal to 2 is a point or line, you should tell line only.
Sir, I didn't understand the graph, sir.
This graph you didn't understand. You
Yes, sir.
just this one attended coordinate geometry. No.
Yes, sir, I was there. I wasn't there for coordinate geometry, sir.
Okay, that's why. See, once again I'll tell you. If this is a graph, no, if I'm asking you x is equal to 3, draw the graph for x is equal to 3. So first of all, this is a line only. This is not a point. Okay. So where x is equal to 3 lies? 1, 2, 3. This is the 3. We should draw a line parallel to y-axis. So you are getting like this line. Okay. So if you see the point anywhere on this line, if you see any point on this line, no, you will get x is equals to 3 only. Suppose I'm just talking about this point. Okay. So here you get suppose 4 on y-axis. So what is the coordinate of this point? 3, 4, right? Suppose what is the coordinate at here? This is what you should tell, 3, 0. What is the coordinate at this point? Suppose this point is -4. The coordinate is 3, -4. So this line is the graph of x is equal to 3. Now it's clear.
Okay, so x, we are depicting x as the graph and 3 as the value.
Yeah. Means on this line you will get x is equal to 3. Always x is equal to 3 only. Understood?
Sir, so if it's y is equal to 3, we do it on the y-axis.
If y is equal to 3, then I'll tell you. If y is equal to 3, see here it is a 3. So this is parallel to x-axis, like this.
Okay, sir.
So this is a line for y is equal to 3. On this line, if you check, no, you will get always y is equal to 3 only. Like here is coming -4. This point become what? -4, 3. So this here is what? 3 only you are getting at y place, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everywhere you will get like that only. Understood? It's clear?
Understood, sir.
All right. Now linear equation in two variable children. Linear. Sai Charan, why you off your camera? I'll remove you right now.
Sir, sir, so if there is a point called x is equal to 3, so we will say x is equal to 3 is a line. It is not a point.
What again, sir? You say x is equal to 3.
Yeah. So
Huh.
we will say it is a line.
Yeah, line only. Yes.
We cannot say it is a point.
No, no, no. X is equal to 3 is not a point.
Okay.
So an equation with two variables is known as linear equation of in two variables, like C. In this equation, you are getting X and Y as variable. A, B are the coefficient of X and Y respectively, and C is also one constant. So A and B are coefficients of X, Y and Y respectively. And C is constant, where A and B should not be equal to 0. If A becomes 0, what happens, children? If A becomes 0, you will get only By is plus C is equal to 0. So this becomes which equation? Linear equation in one variable. Understood? If A becomes 0, if A is equal to 0, so this whole part becomes 0, then this equation becomes what? Linear equation in one variable. Understood, children? Satvik, it's clear.
Yes, sir, understood.
If A and B both become 0, then it's not a linear equation only. Understood? So condition also should write here, that is A and A is not equal to 0 and B also should not equal to 0. Okay. Now example that you know
Sir,
already.
I didn't understand how you said it was a single variable.
1 minute. See what I'm saying, that if you are saying that A is equals to 0, if this whole thing is 0, right? If this whole part is 0, then what you can write? By is plus C is equals to 0. So this becomes what? Linear equation in one variable, right?
So, but there's three variables, right, sir? There's B, Y, and C.
C is constant. No, C is given here in the here. C is constant.
Oh, okay. I didn't see that, sir.
Okay. So if A and B both become 0, then you will not, that is not linear equation only. Now
Okay, sir. So it's only X and Y, but the other three are constant and coefficient.
Yeah, A, B, and C are constants.
Okay, C can be 0, right, sir?
Yeah, C
Good.
can be 0, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Fine, all right. Slope intercept form. This one don't read. For this one, for you it's not there. Slope intercept form is not there for you. See, solution of linear equation. How to find solution of linear equation? See what is given over here. There is only one solution in a linear equation in one variable. If one variable is there, obviously it will have only one solution. But there are infinitely many solutions in a linear equation two variable. Two variable, there will be infinitely many solutions. How you know? Because see, if I tell linear equation in one variable, it means that if I ask 2x is equal to 5, so x is equal to what you should tell? 5 by 2, correct? So there is
Yes.
only one solution in linear equation in one variable. But if I give two variable, this one, x plus y is equal to 5, I told you so many solutions will come, infinitely solution, right? Come infinitely.
Sir, how
Many.
infinitely? Sir, it's only 2 or 3, right?
Which one? This one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No,
Yes.
you can take 1.1 plus what you can take?
Okay, like that.
3.9. So many, infinitely many solutions will come. It's
Yeah.
not only 2 or 3, infinitely many solutions. Understood? So here, if you're
Sir,
having
here solution and methods are different, sir. Our
solution,
method is also 1 and infinite.
which one? You are saying about first part or second part?
No, sir. My doubt was like you're saying that there's only one solution for the one variable linear equation and infinite for this two variables, right?
Yeah,
So
exactly.
that's for the solution, but the method will be different or same. I mean, like the number of methods will be different or same.
See, method will be what you know. They won't give this equation to you. They may ask to draw a graph on number line, okay, or coordinate
Okay.
this thing. They will ask the graph, or they will ask, means two pair they will ask, x plus y is equal to 5, and one more pair they will give to you, and they will say that find the solution of x and y, find x and y. Understood?
Okay.
So two ways they can ask. If only
Okay,
one,
sir.
if only one they will ask, it means what? Infinitely many solution. Obviously, if you draw any line on the pair, you'll get like this only line. You know how to draw the line? How to draw the line on the number line? Who knows how to draw x plus y is equal to 5 is there? How to draw a line on the number line or the coordinate part? Nihar, you know that?
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to first draw this plus symbol, and then we have to mark X, and then we have to draw a line down.
Yeah. Sanvi, you know?
Sir, on number line or graph?
Graph, not number line, graph. Pulasteya.
Sir, I didn't understand how to draw a line, sir.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Sir, I didn't understand how to draw for X plus Y is equal to 5.
Okay, I'll just tell you right now, children. Okay, wait for a minute. I'll just tell you how to draw the graph.
Sir, means like taking infinite many values, sir.
Yeah,
One
see, I'll
point
just tell you. Wait a minute. Wait for a minute. I'll tell you this very easy thing to draw. You can draw easy method only. I just tell you here itself. Sriyanvi, you know how to draw the line on the graph?
I did learn in school, so I might know.
Okay, see, I'm just drawing here. Oh, where it went? Share screen. So see, I'm just drawing that. If you're understanding, well and good. And if you're not understanding, just tell me. See, this is the coordinate. This is a coordinate, okay? So I am drawing the graph for x plus y is equals to 5. Okay, Nihar. So in the school, what they teaching is, you know, x, y they will teach, and they will say that you start from 0. At 0, what you will get? If x is equal to 0, y is equal to what? You'll get 5. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to what? 4, right?
Yes.
If x is equal to -1, then y is equals to what? 6. Like that
6.
only, right? So you should keep the point. You should suppose here is 0. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So at 0, what is there? 5. We should pointing here. We are writing here 0, 5, like that. Again at 1, we are getting 1, 4. Like we have to point over here 1, 4. Understood, Nihar?
Yes, sir.
Again at -1 is here. So -1 we are getting 6. It will come till here, right? So this is -1, 6. So again we have to draw the line. Again we have to draw a line from this point. Everything you should match. Everything you should match. Okay. So all should lie on the same place. Okay. So this all the points should lie on the same place. Actually, 1 minute. I drawn something here and there. Exactly, it's not coming. 1 minute. So this all the lines if you draw, no, this will come on this.
How many values should we do this?
Huh? What, Nihar?
Sir, for how many values of X and Y should we do this?
What I will tell you easy method is, what you should do is x and y you put. My method is once you put x is equal to 0 and once you put y is equal to 0. That's it. No need to put thousand of things. If x is equal to 0, what you are getting? 5. If y is equal to 0, then also you are getting 5. You should match here 5 and 5 you match, that is enough. All lines will come on that only. Understood? My method is this only. I prefer this method. Is it clear, Sriyanvi? This only, no, like this only you might have learned, right?
Sir, do I understand what you said about your method being I didn't understand all points will
Sir,
come up.
See, I'm saying that you can take any point on this by the help of this to draw this graph. You can take any number of points here, okay? And my method is once you take x is equals to 0 and once you take y is equals to 0, then what is the value of x if y is equal to 0 and what is the value of
5
y?
and 5, sir.
Yeah, so you should match here 5 and 5. You just try at home. You just match 5 and 5 over here on the graph, okay? And
Okay.
you will get all the lines what you getting in the first. No, you will getting all the points what you are getting here. All the points you are getting on the same line only. Understood?
sir,
Great.
means can we take only one value, sir, or we need to show all the values, sir? Means
I'm saying no, your wish. My method is this one. You can use this method. This is very easy method.
no, sir, that method only, sir. But can we take any one, means like x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 5?
Yeah, you can take, man. See how we are getting 5, you know. See, we are putting in this equation actually. If x is equal to 0, then put here equation 0 plus y is equal to 5, then we are getting y is equal to 5, right? We have to put in this equation, then we are getting y is equal to 5. We are not putting here.
Sir, instead of 0 and 5, we can take as 6 and -1 also in both
Your wish, no problem. But what is happening? Why I'm taking 0? No, because you will get on axis only, and axis matching is very easy. Understood, Nihal?
Yes, sir.
Axis thing will be very easy to draw the line. You can take -6. I've taken here, no, -1, 6.
In exam, they'll ask us to draw this graph and all, and then show, and then they'll ask us to show this.
How they will ask, you can answer this, not a problem. And you can this only you can write, not a problem. They won't ask to draw this whole thing.
Okay, sir.
Only this is enough.
Suppose the question is x plus y is equal to 15, sir.
X plus y is equal to 15. Okay.
So we will have to have
Yeah, you have to.
up to 15.
Yeah, you just what you do, no, don't take this one. Let here 1 unit is equal to 5. You take, no problem. You take 5 only. 5, 10.
Oh, okay,
you take.
okay,
Exam you can take 5. It's not sure you should take 1 only.
okay.
Yeah, take this 1 unit is 5, but every you should take on x-axis you take same way, y also should take same only. Okay.
Okay, then the method you applied, right? Apply.
Yeah.
Just 3 units we will have to mark.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, sir.
So x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 15. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 15. Over. So 15 and 15 you should match. That's it. Understood? No?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having doubt?
Sir.
Sriyanvi, Ritvik, Sai Charan, Sahil, all of you on the camera except Sai Charan, you are having problem with this thing, right?
Yes, sir, means it lags, sir, when I on the video.
Yeah, fine. Now
Sir,
any
we
doubts?
should
Huh.
take minimum 2 points for showing.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
because 1 point can't make line, no?
Yeah.
2 points should be there to make a line. Yes. At least
So,
yeah.
like we can take only 2 points. That will be enough.
Yeah,
right.
but sometimes it happens you can't guess by 2 points. But anyway, at 9th level you are having maximum 2 points. You can do that, not a problem.
Okay.
At 9th level is fine, well and good. But 10th and 11th you are having so many complicated graphs, so you should read later on. But till 9th, this is enough. So any questions still here, children?
No, sir.
No,
Oh.
sir.
No,
All
sir.
right, all right. Now find a solution for C. Same thing they are using here. Find a solution for the equation. This solution they are asking. So if you're putting x is equal to 0, you are getting what? Y is equal to 7, right? Correct? No, in the same equation, same they are doing. What they are doing? See, they are making one list over here. They are putting x is equal to 0. Now they are putting here 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 7. So you will get y is equal to 7. So you can write here 0, 7. Means if you are putting 0, you're getting what? 7. Understood? So for this equation, how many solutions you have? Infinitely many solutions, right?
Yes, sir.
Infinitely many solution. So next part is C. Now another solution they are taking. See what I have taken. Y is equal to 0. Then they are getting this one. If y is equal to 0, you take. I just make it smaller first. This is so much big.
Sir, how do you represent decimal numbers on the graph?
3.5 you can't take between 3 and 4.
Sir, we can represent it anywhere, like between.
Not anywhere between that. You can count no. There are 10 partitions are there between 3 and 4. So fifth partition you'll get you can do no. Fifth partition is 3.5.
So, sir, we have to make this graphs in a graph paper.
Yeah, graph paper only no. This you should not do in notebook or something like that. We exactly should do in graph only if they are asking in exam and all.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Hmm.
So right now we took 2x plus y is equal to 7, and we took x as 0 and y as is y. So can we take x as anything, or is it any method we should apply
No,
for
no,
that?
anything you can take, not a problem. But I told no, if you put 0, 0, it will become easier to calculate.
Okay.
So here they are taking solution as putting x equal to 0, they are getting 7. Putting y is equals to 0, they are getting 3.5.
So in this we could technically put y and x as 0, right? Or why should we leave it as?
No, no, no. Both only put no, two. Why we want two thing at least, right?
Yeah.
Means you can leave if they ask solution. This is enough. One solution is this one, and this is the another solution. See another solution.
Okay.
So one solution
So
is
in these
0,
types of questions, the method is important, but the any answer can come if the method is
yeah,
correct.
yeah.
Okay, sir.
So to draw any line, you need two coordinates. Okay, that's it.
Sir, so this coordinate geometry and linear equation, two variables are related.
Yeah, the small related is relation is there. Yes. Now next part is graph of linear equation in two variables. Children, no need to see only what I told you how to draw the graphs. That is more than enough. Okay. I told you to how to draw the graph. I told you x and y. You put here x is equal to 0. What you are getting for y? You are putting y is equal to 0. What you are getting for x? That's it.
Sir,
If you-
means I have doubts, sir.
Hmm.
If we are keeping x is equals to 0, sir, means like x plus y is equals to 7, sir. So if we are keeping
One
x
minute, 1 minute. X plus y is equal to 7. Huh?
yes, sir. Here we are keeping x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 7, sir. So then is it point or line, sir?
This is a coordinate no. 0, 7 is a point. 0, 7 is a point. See, if you are putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7. So 0, 7 is a point no. This is a coordinate, right?
Yes.
And if you are putting y is equal to 0, you are getting x is equal to 7. So this is 7, 0. This is also a point. If you match this both points, you will get one line. Is it clear, Sahil? Sorry, Sai Charan.
Yes, sir, means I'm asking that if x is equals to 0, sir, then y is equals to 7 we are getting, sir. Means
Yes.
directly we can take that y in the value and then we can draw a line, sir, parallel to the x-axis. Or is
Here, how you
it a
can draw? Here, parallel to x-axis you can't draw. If that is only for x is equal to 3 is given, y is equal to -2 is given. In this case, you can draw that is that. That you should, x is parallel. If you're drawing for this is parallel to y-axis. If you're drawing for this is parallel to x-axis. Don't merge that concept in this equation. Understood?
yes,
Understood?
sir.
Don't merge that concept in this equation. This equation you have to take x, then you get the value of y. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That was different concept. This is different concept. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that's it, children. So here what you need to do, simply you make one graph, a small graph over here, and you can make what you can write here, what I told. 0, 7 will come here. This is 7, 0, 7, and here is somewhere 7, 0. So you can match this both line. This is the equation for this. Understood, children? How to draw the graph?
Yes, sir.
So don't see this one. You just simply you take the values and get the answer.
Sir means if 7 comma 0, sir, x is equal to 7 and 0 is the y.
Okay.
And only we need to keep the point on the x. That's it, sir. And tell x axis. That's it.
You know coordinate, no? If 0, 7, where it lies? It lies on which axis? 0, 7 always lie on y axis, right?
Y axis. Yes, sir. I'm telling about 7 comma.
7, 0 will be lie on x axis. That's it.
Yes.
Match both. What is there in that? Okay. Next. See, draw the graph of this. You can draw, children. Draw the graph of 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. You can draw it easily, right? All of you just draw in the notebook and show me
Sir, watch it.
this graph. 3x plus 4y is equals to 12. What you are getting the coordinates, that you tell me, then I'll draw it here. That's it. Don't draw the graph. You just tell me the coordinate for this. 3x plus 4y is equals to 12. 3x plus 4y is equals to 12.
4 comma 0 and 0 comma 3.
What you are saying as Nihar?
4 comma 0 and 0 comma 3.
4 comma 0 and 0 comma 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you can draw the graph of this.
I'll draw it, sir.
Okay.
Should I draw it in a graph sheet?
No, notebook only you just draw. Right now you can draw in notebook, but later on you can do in graph. Graph paper notebook, you just bought it, okay? Right now roughly you can show me. Later on you can.
Sir, I'm getting x as 0, y as 3.
X is, yeah, this second coordinate you got. Yeah.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
next, if y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 4. Means you have to make like this, x and y. Satvik,
Yes,
if
sir.
x is equals to 0, y is equals to what is you are getting?
So could you see?
Sir, I'm doing
1 minute, 1
4
minute.
and 3.
Sir, I think we can evaluate the value, sir. And x plus
1 minute,
y.
Nihar, 1 minute. I just pinning you. I'll stop the screen, then I'll see you. 1 minute. Yeah, fine. In this way only, yes. I want to see from everyone. All of you do and show me. Satvik, just tell me.
So the graph, sir.
Yeah, graph, normal.
Okay, sir. 2 minutes.
Rough sketch, yeah.
But I don't have graph paper.
Not graph paper. In rough note, you can just draw right now. This is small graph. Now. This is
Okay.
not big complicated thing. Satvik, I'm just asking to you that if x is equal to 0, what you are getting for y? That you tell me.
3.
How you solve? Tell me. I just write it over here. How are you getting 3? They tell me.
Sir, when we take the y3, then we join the
Y3. Y3, I'm not asking. How you are getting y is equal to 3? That I'm asking here. Suppose here x is equal to 0. You are saying y you are getting 3, right?
Sir, I didn't get the question properly, sir. They gave 3x plus 4y are 12, sir.
Yeah, we have to make the graph of this equation. That's it. So what we need to do here is what I told you. Once you put x is equal to 0 in the same here line equation only. Okay. If x is equal to 0, what you will get for y? To see here, 3 into 0 plus 4 into y is equal to 12. So 3 into 0 is 0 only. So 4y is equal to 12. So y is
3.
equal to what?
3.
12 by 4, that is 3. That's it now.
Okay, sir.
So for second, if y is equal to 0, then x is equal to what? The
3.
same equation you put. If y is equal to 0, so 3x will remain the same, plus 4 into 0 is equal to 12. So 3x is equal to what? 12. The x is equal to 4. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
So if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. And if y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. Pulastya, you understood? Pulastya.
Understood.
Okay. Show me the graph, child. Pulastya, show me the graph you have made in the
Yeah,
notebook.
Yeah, I'm drawing it.
Okay, fine. Sai Charan,
we can take x as 5 or 6, sir, but the answer which we get as y, sir, should be convenient for us to
Yeah.
represent in the graph.
Yeah, exactly.
Sir, I have made the graph. Would you see?
1 minute. You are showing in the this thing. 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me pin you. Pin 1 minute, 1 minute. Remove. Ah, it's not showing. So it show properly. I can't see. Go a bit back. Oh, it's fine, fine. It's correct. Name the
Okay,
coordinate
sir.
also. Name the coordinate also. Name the
Okay, sir.
coordinate. Suppose 0, 4, 0, like that, 0, 3 and 4, 0. Then write the coordinate name also. Sai Ritvik, you understood how to draw the graph?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you see mine, sir?
Mm, yeah, Satvik, what you have made, the 1 minute, like with this, be like this only 1 minute. Let me see.
Even I made my graph.
1 minute, 1 minute. Add let it be like this only. 3 and 4 you have mentioned, no? The 4, 0 and 0, 3. We are getting the same thing?
Yes, sir.
0, 3 and 4, 0. Yeah, fine, fine. So you should name the point over there. Point you mentioned, no, there you should name that. Sahil, you have finished?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, show. It's correct. Like this only you should do. Anybody else?
Is mine okay?
What happened? Sai Charan? Yeah, Pulasteya. Yeah, so I think it's
Yeah,
correct.
I made mine.
Yeah, fine, fine, Pulasteya. Very good. So if two graphs is also given, you can draw in the graph paper, right? But see, here we are getting infinitely solution, right? But same two pair of equation will be there, no? Two pair of equation. That time it may depends. It may be infinitely many solution also. It may be only one solution also. It may be what? No solution also. How you know? Suppose if pair of two equation will be there, no? If x plus y is equals to 2 and x minus y is equal to 0. So how many solution will come for the pair of equation? Tell me how many solution will come for this?
Sir, is that a third
Infinite.
variable z or 2, sir? Is that z?
X plus y is equals to 2
Oh, 2, okay, sir.
and x minus y is equals to 0. So if you solve this equation at home, no, just this is your homework. Draw proper headings. If in the graph paper, you will get only one solution. What is solution? You know, where this both line meets. Suppose this is a graph paper. If one graph is coming like this, okay, and one graph is coming like this. Suppose this is one example. So where it meets, this is meeting place, right? How many type intersect? That is only plus solution only, okay? Where the both line meets, where the both line meets is known as what? Solution, okay? So
Sir,
this,
I have a doubt, but
Hmm.
the line is intersecting 3 times, right, sir?
So both lines how intersecting 3 times? This line is intersecting and this line intersecting only one time here, no?
Yeah, sir, but the
Here
arms
you are
are.
here you are saying
Yes, sir.
that is not with coordinate lines. I'm saying with the
Oh,
lines,
okay, okay.
with the lines each
The
other.
values are one.
Huh?
Both the values
Okay,
are
sir.
one.
Yeah, you get only one solution.
Yes, sir, only one, sir.
Yeah, but some equations are there. If I give no, you
Sir,
will
it's
get.
this without graph also, right?
Yeah, what?
That we can do this thing without graph also, right? Like normally.
Yeah. Without graph also you can solve. Yes.
Is that perpendicular symbol and so?
Perpendicular. No, one solution I've written.
Sir,
One
can we
solution.
do it like
Okay, sir.
x plus y is equals to 2 plus x minus y is equals to 2, then 2x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 2 by 2, 1.
What? Once again you tell.
So it means can we do like x plus y is equals to 2 plus x minus y is equals to 0, sir, then we will get 2x is equals to 2, sir.
Yeah, that
Then
way
x
only.
is
Yeah, yeah.
equals to
That
2
that
by
way.
2.
Yes, yes. That is
1.
your elimination method.
Yes,
That
sir.
what you told, that is elimination. So there are so many methods to solve. See, we are having how many methods I'm telling to solve. First method is your graphical method. Okay. Graphical method. Second method to solve is substitution method. Substitution method.
Sir, means after solving, sir, the values which we get for x and y, we need to represent in the graph form, sir.
No, that is only answer. If the, that's what I'm saying you. If they ask in graphical, you should draw in graph and that you show there. Okay.
After finding the values.
See, graphical method, if here is like this, first line is like coming like this, second line is coming like this. So this point you should show, that's it, over no. In the graph part. Where the both line meets, that is your answer. In substitution method, you have to solve substitution. I'll tell you one by one. Now substitution method, then your elimination method. Elimination method. And one last method you are having, which I would read in class 10, that is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method.
Class 10, sir.
Yeah, class 10th you are having in cross
So
multiplication.
graphical method is nothing but graph representation, right?
Yeah, graphical representation you do, and you'll
Okay.
where both line meets, that is your answer.
Substitution is what we did with 2x plus y, right?
Substitution method I didn't teach you. I'll teach you. It means
Okay.
till now I not taught you substitution method.
So then what is the method that we use for 2x plus y is equal to 7?
Where 2x plus y, which equation you are saying?
We substituted x with 0, right, sir?
Actually, that one, that is for graphical method you are using now.
Okay.
Where x is equal to x and y we are using for to make graph, right?
Okay, sir.
So this is graphical method we are using for graphical method.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir means if we take x plus y is equal to 2, sir, and if we take x as 0, so the y will be 2, sir. So 0 comma 2, sir.
Don't tell anything right now. Okay. Let me discuss all the
Sir,
methods.
sir.
Then you come back with your answers. What you are saying? Tell me once again.
Means if x plus y is equal to 2, sir, I'm taking x as 0, sir, and y is equal to 2. So 0
Yes,
comma
sir.
2, sir.
That method will not applicable for this. Okay.
No, sir, not this I'm telling. Means in graphical method, sir. Then we
Graphical
need
method,
to
yes. Graphical method you can do. This you should do
parallel line,
separately.
sir.
Yeah, what
And
you are saying that x is equal to 0 and y, right?
Yes, sir.
So x
And
is
I
equal to 0, this is 2. Then next,
then we will represent in the graph like we need to draw parallel lines, sir.
parallel
Then
line.
yes, sir, that part I did not understand, sir.
Which part you didn't understood?
Means how to represent, sir, 0 comma 2 means
0 comma 2 is a point, Sai Charan. 0 comma 2 is a point. Why you are not understanding? See here. This is a graph.
yes, sir.
0 comma 2. Where is x is 0 and y is 2. So this is 0 comma 2. That's it.
So then you told that we need to draw those lines and where they intersect, that is your answer.
That's right. Now intersecting part, second part also should do no. Y is equal to 0. Then x is equals to what? 2 only. So this is a point you will get. This point is 2 comma 0. So you match this point. This is the graph for x plus y. Again, similarly, you should draw for this separately. Understood?
Yes, sir, now I got it.
You got every time, but you are confusing yourself. I don't know how you are confusing here. Concentrate only one thing. No, see what I told before. I told the same thing before also, but you don't know. I don't know how you confuse. See here, how easy method I told you before also. See.
No, sir, when you told that draw the graph and then
See
draw
here, see here, Sai Charan. See here, here also I told you. See, this was the question, no? Right? So what I told you, once x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3 you are getting. And y is equal to 0, 4 you are getting. So this is the two coordinates, right?
yes, sir.
That you should match. That is a line, understood?
Yes.
That's it. So this is for one line. So here for graphical method, you have to draw how many lines? two lines, and if they intersecting one place, you are getting only one answer. Is it clear, children, or not?
Yes, sir.
Graphical method is clear to everyone? Sahil?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll tell you substitution method, okay? Right now I'll finish one substitution method also, then we can move further. See the same question, we'll see this question. See graphical method they have did. This you understood? No, see they have made here also. This is the graphical method what they are doing. See. Same thing what you people done in the notebook, same graph you have done, check. Now we can match with this graph what you have done before.
Yes, sir.
So this is the line, this is the graph for 3x plus 4y is equal to 12, and this is very important, 4 comma 0, this is point, and this is 0 comma 3. All of you get the same answer, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. Now see, x is equals to, they are finding this different. Now same question I'll tell you by a substitution method, okay? Same question I'll tell you by substitution method. Suppose question is 3x plus 4y, but substitution method is applicable for, you know, for two equations. If there are two equations, then only substitution method is applicable. Suppose I'm telling you x plus y is equals to 5 and x minus y is equals to 1, okay? So what we should do is, I'm telling about substitution method. Substitution method for two equations, first equation and second equation. So from first equation what we are doing is x is equal to, can we write 5 minus y, children? From
Yes,
first
sir.
equation we can write x is equal to 5 minus y. The same thing, we are putting the value of x, put the value of x in equation second. Don't put in the same equation, put in equation second. Is it clear till here?
I didn't understand, sir.
What
I
I'm
didn't
saying,
also understand, sir.
see what
Yes.
I'm saying, that take x from first equation, can we write x is equal to 5 minus y? This you understood, Sai Ritvik?
No, sir. I didn't understand the first sir.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll close once again I'll open. See what I'm saying, that in question they have asked that there are two equations. This is the first equation and this is the second equation, okay? You have
Okay,
to
sir.
solve, you have to find the value of x and y by substitution method. Find x and y by substitution method, okay? Is it, question is clear now? Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what we need to do is, from first equation we are writing that x is equals to 5 minus y. Can we write like this or not?
Yes, sir.
So let this is be a. So putting the value of x in equation second, what you find the value of x in first, from first equation, same thing you are going to put in equation second, right?
Sir, I got it, sir.
Pulastya, you are getting?
Sir means
Yes,
first
I'm
equation.
getting.
What, Pulastya? Tell me once again.
I said yes, I'm getting it.
Okay, fine. Now what, children, what we need to do is put the value of x in equation second. What we get is 5 minus x. Again, sorry, 5 minus y you should write, no? See, equation second is like this, x minus y is equals to 1. So in place of x, what you should put? 5 minus y. So 5 minus y, again minus y is equal to 1. Is this clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir. So it'll
Yes,
become
sir.
5 minus 2y is equal.
Yeah, 5 minus 2y is equals to 1. So you'll get minus 2y, or 2y is equals to 4, right? Y is equals to 2.
Okay, sir.
And same, put the value of y in equation A. Put y in equation where? A. That will be easier now. X is equals to 5 minus y. So 5 minus 2, that is 3. It not necessary you put in A only. You can put in first also, second also, your wish. But here is very important. If you are finding x from first equation, so you should put in equation second only. Remember that. This is very important.
Okay.
If you are finding x from equation first, so you have to put the value of x in equation second only. This is very important, children. Don't put in the same equation.
Sir,
Now-
then no, it is not like that, sir. Means
Yes, sir.
x is equals to my 5 minus y. Then second is x minus y is equals to 1. So x is equals to y plus 1. So then x is equals to 4, right? And
Tell once again.
sir, means I thought that the first one you have wrote that x plus y is equals to 5. Then you have wrote that x is equals to 5 minus y, sir.
Yes.
Then second one means I thought then you will write the second one x minus y is equals to 1 as x is equals to 1 plus y,
No,
sir.
no. You take any one you take x or y from any first equation and put in equation second. That's it. Or other method you can do, from second equation you can write x is equal to y plus 1 and put in equation first. Your wish. Understood, Sai Charan? From second equation you write here x is equal to y plus 1 and put in first equation. You'll get the same answer. Okay.
Sir, means we need to add those both, sir.
Where we are adding? In the where which process we are adding here? Tell me.
Sir, means I did not understand what is keeping that in the first equation. And then, sir.
What we are doing now, see, if two equations will be there, no, two unknowns are there, no, so we have to put anything where we have to try to make it only one variable, right? Then it's easy to calculate. See, here is x minus y, both are there, and here both become both y only. Understood, Sai Charan? So if one variable is there, then only you can solve, no. Otherwise, how you can solve by one equation? See, here from first equation we are finding the value of x in y form only, and here x we are replacing with y form only, right? So if you replacing this x in 5 minus y form, so you'll get only one variable, which is easy to calculate. Understood, Sai Charan, or not?
Sir, not getting, sir.
Not getting.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Hmm.
So you told that we have to replace the value of y in the second equation. But sir, if we do it in the first equation, we'll get the same answer.
Okay, just put the value of y in same equation. What you are getting? See,
But we'll get x is equal to 3.
you're getting that same.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 5 minus y, wait. 5 minus y again plus y is equal to 5. Like this you will get, no? You are putting in first equation. See, so what you can't get anything now. What you will get from here?
Sir, my doubt is why we are
Wait. Let Nihar be clear, then I come back to you. Wait.
No, I'm telling that x plus 5 is equal to y. We can put in that one only, right?
See, this equation you are saying to put an equation first, right?
No, sir, I'm telling that we got the value of y, right? Y is
Yeah,
equal-
yeah, y is equal to
we can
this.
put that y value in x.
Yeah, anywhere. This value can put either in first equation or second equation or a. Anywhere you can put. No problem that one.
What I was telling.
Only what I told you, important point I told you is this blue part I given. No, that is the main important point. That is put the value of x in equation second. This is very important. If you're finding x value from first, you should put in second compulsory. Then this y value can put either in first, second, or a. Now tell me where you're not understanding, Sai Charan. Tell me now.
Sir, after means x is equals to 5 minus y you did, sir. After that, I did not understand what is keeping the second and first one, sir. And how you got 5 minus y is
Okay,
equals to
wait. See, what we did is this you understood a, this understood now this one.
Yes, sir.
Now this x is in the form of y. Okay. X in the form of what? Y. So instead of this x part
Yes,
in the
sir. Now I
second
got it.
equation, we are putting 5 minus y. Now it's clear.
Yes, sir. No.
And why we did Sai Charan? Because if there is only one variable, suppose here 5i minus y is equal to 2 is there. You can solve easily. 4y is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 by 2, correct? But,
Yes, sir.
but the same equation, if it is there in x and y form, then you can solve 5x minus y is equal to 2. What you will do? You can't solve. There is infinitely many solutions now. You can't solve this, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why we are making only one. We are making only one variable over there. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is the method of substitution. Okay. The next class I'll teach you what? Elimination method. Okay, children. Next
Okay,
class
sir.
I'll teach you elimination method. So
Okay, sir.
if you're having any doubt, you can ask me.
Okay, sir.
Right now, if you are having doubt, you can ask.